NASA has detailed the recognition of the first extraterrestrial signs coming from the direction of Proxima B, the closest known exoplanet to Earth. Proxima B is located just over 4 light-years away in the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri, which could alter our understanding of the universe. This divulgence has produced a surge of fervor and interest around the world. Could this be the turning point in human history when it becomes clear that there are other species out there as well? NASA's powerful telescopes, which have been looking for activity in distant stars and planets, were the first to make this crucial discovery. Due to its Earth-like characteristics and proximity to our solar system, Proxima B has always been a prime candidate for the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. A potential turning point in human history has been identified by the identified signal, which is one of a kind and unlike anything that astronomers have ever observed. A finding of this kind has significant repercussions. First, it backs up the long-held scientific theory that other planets could have life in similar conditions to Earth. Second, and perhaps more intriguingly, it asks about the nature of the civilizations that might have existed there. Are they merely microscopic organisms or advanced beings with the potential to communicate and travel across stars? There is more to this signal from Proxima B than just random noise or a cosmic phenomenon. It has a deliberate pattern of repetition that points to an intelligent origin. Now, it is up to scientists from NASA and other organizations around the world to try to decipher this message and figure out what it means and why it was sent. The world's academic community is buzzing with theories and hypotheses about what this message might be about: an invitation, a greeting, a warning, or something completely out of the ordinary. The news of this discovery has spread beyond the scientific community and sparked debate on social media, in government offices, and at dinner tables all over the world. With renewed wonder, people are considering the possibility that other beings are doing the same thing on another planet. How much does their world differ from ours from theirs? What might technology and culture suggest about their society? These possibilities seem to be as numerous as the entire universe. Additionally, this discovery raises numerous ethical and existential concerns. If the signals are indeed from intelligent beings attempting to communicate, how should humanity respond? For interstellar diplomacy, what protocol should we establish? And most importantly, how might a discovery like this alter how we think about religion, life, and who we are as humans? There is evident caution as well as growing excitement. To verify these findings, scientists at NASA and other space agencies are putting in a lot of effort. It is absolutely necessary to check that the signal is real and not a false positive or error. The next steps must be taken with precision and responsibility because we are about to make what could be the most significant discovery in human history. The world is eagerly awaiting more in-depth research. In addition to bringing our scientific endeavors into a new era, the discovery of alien signals from Proxima B unites us with a sense of cosmic curiosity and optimism. One of the oldest and most profound questions, are we alone in the universe, may soon have an answer. In April 2019, a radio signal from space, specifically from the 4.37 light-years away Proxima Centauri region, was detected. Despite the fact that it is 20 times further away than the third brightest star in our sky, it is the star closest to the Sun. The signal comes from a triple star system that also contains Proxima Centauri and the binary pair Alpha Centauri A and B. The two stellar companions, Alpha Centauri A and B, are quite similar to the Sun and relatively close to one another. Alpha Centauri A has a yellow light that shines 1.5 times brighter than the Sun, whereas Alpha Centauri B has an orange light that shines half as brightly. Our Sun is exactly the same size as Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B because Alpha Centauri A is slightly larger and Alpha Centauri B is slightly smaller. However, where did the signal that connected these two stars originate? The signal has been given the name Breakthrough Listen Candidate 1, BLC-1, by the Breakthrough Listen Project, which is working to find communication from other planets throughout the universe. With approximately $100 million in funding, the project has made use of years of global observation with cutting-edge telescopes. The Parkes Radio Telescope in New South Wales, Australia, picked up the signal. The region of Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun, was being observed by this telescope. The scientists were able to locate this signal like a needle in a haystack amidst the enormous amounts of data that had been collected over the course of years. Two distinct characteristics are required for the signal to be deemed relevant. Since such radio transmissions are not produced by natural processes in space, it must first be restricted to a small frequency range. Second, the exoplanet's relative motion in relation to Earth must alter the frequency. The Australian telescope's nearly 4 million individual signals needed to be analysed by the researchers. They found 5,000 distinct signals after a thorough process of filtering and removing unnecessary signals. Of these, one stood out, a signal that could not be explained when compared to current radio transmitters on Earth. Over a 30-hour period, this extraordinary signal with a narrowband technological signature was only observed when the telescope was pointed toward Proxima Centauri. With a mass 1.3 times that of Earth and a radius 1.1 times that of Earth, Proxima B appeared to be very similar to Earth upon closer examination. This suggests that it is a rocky world with a density similar to Earth's. Nevertheless, there are significant distinctions. The first concern is where the two planets are situated within their respective solar systems. Mercury is 0.39 astronomical units away from the Sun, whereas Proxima B is only 0.05 astronomical units away from its parent star. Proxima B would be extremely hot because of its proximity, but the planet is in the habitable zone where life could exist because Proxima Centauri is a faint red dwarf and receives only 60% of the Sun's energy. Numerous undiscovered planets are dispersed throughout our universe. We have discovered 4,931 exoplanets thus far, and we have recently added 65 more planets, bringing our total to 5,000. This most recent batch of 65 exoplanets was added to NASA's Exoplanet Archive on March 21, marking a significant step forward in our understanding of other planets. With 100 times more power than its predecessor, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is the most advanced telescope ever built. We will be able to decipher the mysteries of the universe's vast expanses with its assistance. We have previously discovered a wide range of planets, including small rocky worlds, gas giants larger than Jupiter, extremely hot planets, and planets that are habitable. There are a few planets that stand out among these finds, particularly Kepler 1649c. It is one of those planets that shares many of Earth's characteristics. In fact, it could support life and is the most habitable planet we have discovered thus far. We have found 55 planets that look like Earth so far, but we haven't looked at them all in detail yet.